Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate payment form UX with Stripe checkout best practices, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate a payment form UX with Stripe checkout, begin by creating a Stripe account. Once registered, log in to your Stripe dashboard. Navigate to the Developers section on the left menu. Select the API Keys option to access your publishable and secret keys. Copy your publishable key for later use in your front-end application. Next, open your project in your preferred code editor. Install the Stripe library by running the command npm install at stripe/stripejs in your terminal. Import the Stripe library at the top of your JavaScript file using import load stripe from at stripe/stripejs. Initialize Stripe with your publishable key by calling const stripe equals await load stripe, your publishable key. Create a function to handle the payment form submission. In this function, prevent the default form action using e.preventDefault. Gather the necessary payment information from your form inputs. Consider including fields for items like email, billing address, and payment amounts. Use the Stripe API to create a checkout session. Make an API call using fetch, targeting your backend endpoint. Include the payment information as part of the request body in JSON format. In your backend, set up an endpoint to handle the session creation. Use the Stripe library in your backend to create a new checkout session with required parameters. Return the session ID back to your frontend after successfully creating the session. In your frontend, handle the response by redirecting users to the Stripe checkout page. Call stripe.redirect to checkout, with the session ID as a parameter. Test the functionality thoroughly to ensure everything works as expected. Consider adding error handling to manage any issues during the payment process. Review design best practices to ensure a seamless user experience. Make sure your payment form is responsive and easy to navigate. Optimize for both desktop and mobile users for a better UX. Ultimately, ensure compliance with security best practices for handling sensitive payment information. Launch your updated payment form and monitor user feedback for improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.